Okay, welcome back to another episode of Chip Theory. Today we're going to discuss a D natural minor scale. Here we have laid out from D to C sharp on the far right, in chromatic fashion, our 12 notes, starting with D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, and C sharp. Now, uh, again, there's 12 half steps between the octave, which we're going to want to remember when determining what key D natural minor is relative to, and that is relative to the F major. So we're going to form our D minor scale using the pattern for minor scales of a whole step, a half step, a whole step, a whole step, a half step, a whole step, and a whole step. So here, we're starting on D, we need a whole step. We have D, E to D sharp is a half step, and D sharp to E is a half step. So D to E is a whole step. Now we need a half step. We have E to F. E to F is going to be a half step. So here we have our first part of the minor scale formula, a whole step and a half step. Now we're going to look for another whole step from F. We have F to F sharp as a half step, and F sharp to G is a half step, so F to G will be a whole step. We need another whole step from G. We have this, G to G sharp and G sharp to A. G to A is a whole step. Now we need a half step from A, and we have A to A sharp or B flat. Now we need a whole step from A sharp or B flat. We have a half step from A sharp or B flat to B, and a half step from B to C. So from B flat to C is a whole step. And of course, the final whole step from C to the octave, D. So here you can clearly see we have the minor scale D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C, and D. You can also see that relative to a D major scale, we're looking at a D major scale with a flatted third from F sharp to F natural, a flatted 6 from B to B flat, and a flatted 7 from C sharp to C. The flat 3, flat 6, and 7 is going to be our Aeolian mode. It's also important to note that when we move our D and E to this side, we have an F major scale. F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. Now, to find our relative minor from the F major, we just take the 6th degree of the major scale. So we count F, G, A, B flat, C, D. This would be the 6th note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's going to give us our starting note for the relative minor, natural minor. It uses all the same notes from the F major scale beginning on the D. So this is a major 6 or 9 half steps in this direction. It's also, if you count down from F, a minor third or 3 half steps down from F. So F, E, E flat, D. Okay, 3 half steps in that direction. Also, if you need to find the relative major from D, you can simply count a minor third up, or the third degree of the D minor scale, will give you the relative major, so F major. So it's good to know that in both on both conditions, that D minor is relative to F major and has the 1 flat, the B flat in the key signature. Now our triads of the D natural minor scale are going to be D, F, A. It's going to be a minor 3/4. All right, the second position is going to be E, G, and B flat. It's going to be diminished. We have F, A, C. The 3 position is going to be your major. F, A, C, or 4/3 in root position. Our 4 chord is going to be G, B flat, D, minor. The 5 chord is A, C, E. It's minor. We have B flat, D, and F, and the 6th degree is major. And our 7th degree, C, E, G, is major. Now, keeping that in mind, we can build our 7 chords on each degree of the natural minor scale, beginning with the minor 7 chord on the 1st degree of D, or D, F, A, and C. It's going to give us a D minor 7, or 3/4/3 position, D, F, A, C. Our 2nd chord is going to be a minor 7 with a flat 5, E, G, B flat, and D, or 3/3/4 position, giving that we have the flat 5th, the 3, 3, and 4. Our 3rd position chord, F major, is going to be a major 7, F, A, C, and E, or a 4/3/4 spacing in root position. Our 4 chord is going to be minor, and natural minor is going to very much resemble the 1st chord, which is G, B flat, D, F, or a 3/4/3, just like the 1 chord, 3/4/3. Our 5 chord is the same way. It's going to be an A minor 7, A, C, E, G. Again, 3/4/3, just like this one, and just like the 1 chord. So the 1, 4, and 5 are going to be 3/4/3. Your 2 is going to be 3/3/4, and your 3rd chord is a 4/3/4, or major 7 for the 3rd chord. Again, your 6th chord is going to be a major, like the 3. B flat, D, F, A. Again, 4/3/4. And your 7 chord is dominant, C, E, G, and B flat. And those are the chord degrees of the Aeolian mode, or the minor, natural minor mode. We can talk about the inversions of these chords now. In D natural minor, starting with the 1st chord, D natural minor, 3/4/3, D, F, A, C. We're going to have a 4/3/2 inversion starting on F, F, A, C, D. The 3/4/3 starting on A, C, D, F. And a 2/3/4 starting on C, C, D, F, A. Coming down is A, F, D, C, F, D, C, A, D, C, A, F, and C, A, F, D. Our 2nd chord of D natural minor is going to be the E minor 7 with a flat 5, or 3/3/4 position. We can take our first inversion. It's going to give us a 3-4-2 position starting on G, B flat, D, E. Now we have a 4-2-3 starting on B flat, D, E, G. And again, a 2-3-3 inversion starting on D, E, G, and B flat. Moving down is B flat, G, E, D, G, E, D, B flat, E, D, B flat, G, and D, B flat, G, E. Our third chord of D natural minor is going to be the major 7, F major 7, 4-3-4, F, A, C, E. First inversion of a 4-3-4 is going to be a 3-4-1 position, starting on A, C, E, F, followed by a 4-1-4, starting on C, E, F, A, to our 1-4-3 inversion, starting on E, F, A, C, coming down to C, A, F, E, A, F, E, C, F, E, C, A, and E, C, A, F. Our fourth chord is a minor 7, just like number 1. Here we're on G minor 7, 3-4-3 position, G, B flat, D, F. And we're going to have the 4-3-2 version starting on B flat, D, F, G, to our 3-4-3 starting on D, F, G, B flat, to our 2-3-4 starting on F, G, B flat, D. Coming down is D, B flat, G, F, B flat, G, F, D, G, F, D, B flat, and F, D, B flat, G. Our 5 chord is going to be the A minor 7, exactly identical form to the 4 chord and the 1 chord, starting on A. We have the A, C, E, G, 3-4-3 position, A, C, E, G, to our 4-3-2 inversion, starting on C, E, G, A, to our 3-2-3, starting on E, G, A, C, to a 2-3-4, starting on G, A, C, E. Coming down is E, C, A, G, C, A, G, E, A, G, E, C, and G, E, C, A for our 5 chord. Our 6th chord is going to be a major 7, just like the 1 chord, or I'm sorry, just like the 3 chord. 1 chord's minor, 3 chord's major, 7. So we have a B flat major 7 on the 6th degree of D minor, B flat, D, F, and A, or a 4-3-4 position. Our inversion, we have now a 3-4-1 starting on D, F, A, B flat, to our 4-1-4 starting on F, A, B flat, D, to our 1-4-3 starting on A, B flat, D, F. Coming down as D, F, B flat, A, D, B flat, A, F, B flat, A, F, D, and A, F, D, B flat. Finally, our 7 chord of natural minor, D natural minor, is going to be a C dominant 7, C7, or a 3-3-4 position, dominant 7. I'm sorry, it's a 4-3-3, 4-3-3 position. C to E is 4, E to G is 3, and G to B flat is 3 half steps. 4-3-3, dominant 7, C, E, G, B flat. We invert the dominant 7, we get a 3-4-2, 3-3-2, excuse me, I keep saying the wrong numbers, 3-3-2 inversion, starting on E, E, G, B flat, C, to our 3-2-4, starting on G, G, B flat, C, E, to our 2-4-3, starting on B flat, C, E, G, coming down as G, E, C, B flat, E, C, B flat, G, C, B flat, G, E, and B flat, G, E, C. Again, this is natural minor, D, E, D minor 7, E minor 7 flat 5, F major 7, G minor 7, A minor 7, B flat major 7, and C dominant. Now, if we introduce the harmonic leading tone, we want to play our harmonic scale, we're going to wind up taking this 7th tone here and raising it to a C sharp. And what that will do to the 7 chord is make this a C sharp diminished, or a D flat diminished, right? Because these are going to be all minor thirds now. On the 5 chord, we're going to have an A C sharp on the 3rd, making this a dominant 7, A, C sharp, E, G. The 3 chord will become augmented F, A, C sharp, and E, and the 1 chord will become D, F, A, C sharp, or a minor with a major 7. So given our harmonic leading tone, that's where that will land. It will be the C sharp to the D, giving you a half step from C sharp to D for the harmonic minor. And that's the main difference between harmonic and natural. Okay? Anyways, those are the chords of the D minor scale.